What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to actually remove the center dash speaker, and not only remove it, but how to fix it if it's blown. All you need is some glue if you have that laying around. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. All right, so first we're going to want to take this trim piece off. Don't really have the proper tool, but this should do. Kind of want to be careful. Pop it up in the front first. Sounds like this is the first time this has been done. There we go. And then you want to be careful getting it up from the back. Don't want to break it. Hold on 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, so you're gonna want to come at it from the back kind of corner, and then it'll pop up. I would take your time and be pretty careful so you don't break this piece. I got that left side up. It's kind of hard to film it. Hopefully we didn't just break it, but I think we got it off. Yep, we didn't break it. Let's go. So yeah, these are there's one clip on the left, two in the middle, and then one on the right. So you just want to be careful. And then there's a couple on the sides, and then some in the front as well. So you just want to be careful that you don't break any of these. I don't think this piece is that cheap actually, which it's just plastic, but BMW for you. All right, so there's just 3 bolts that hold the speaker in, and I'm gonna just unscrew them and then show you how to disconnect the speaker as well. So it is a little hard to get these screws out, especially if you don't have a small Phillips screwdriver. I used this little attachment kind of, and then I used that once I got them loosened with this, and kind of had to go in at an angle, kind of like that. But if you have the right tool, it's not gonna be too difficult. But yeah, so take these 3 out. All right, so the speaker we'll just pull out then. And then, wow, that thing looks old. And then in the back, there's just one connection. And it looks like there's just a little clip right in there. And then it'll come out. So yeah, it just kind of comes right out after you wiggle it a little bit. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Don't want that to fall down there. But yeah, that's how you remove the speaker on a BMW E90 pre-LCI with no navigation. So this car is equipped with the Logic 7 sound system. I'm not sure if all cars have this speaker up here, but I know on the forums I read that there's some glue that kind of starts falling apart, and I think that's actually what's happening right there. You can kind of see the speaker pushes down. So I'm gonna try to glue it and see if that works and fix the rattle noise that it makes from more of a bassy song. But if that doesn't work, I'm gonna just end up buying a whole new speaker and just replacing that. I know Bav Sound offers an upgraded one, so I might check that out, but if not, I'll just get another OEM Logic 7 one. All right, so I know the screws aren't in, but I'm gonna play a song to show you guys the noise that it does make, the rattle noise. I don't know if you guys can hear hear that. Take some Gorilla Glue and put it on a toothpick and try to get it in between where the speaker is coming apart.
I don't really know if this is gonna work well, but you can hear the old glue cracking. It's such a small area, it's hard to get the glue actually under there. I wonder if I maybe just put it on the edges right here. You know? So I'm kind of just spreading it on the outside and hopefully that will hold. It's only on half the speaker is coming in detached. Yeah, I guess we'll see if this holds now.
All right, so it dried now and it did hold. So now the whole speaker moves. You can see over here, it's not just this part, it's moving the whole speaker. But I'm gonna do a second layer and kind of just paint it on there. Cause I mean, if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna get a new speaker.
I wonder if this like will hold in the summertime because it gets so hot here in Arizona. So yeah, it's only on half the speaker. I wonder if I should do it on all of it.
And I think that's good. I'll let that dry. So it's been about 35 minutes and this stuff is dry now to touch. And it did actually seal the speaker. You can see the whole speaker moves and there's no gap anymore between there. Try to get a little closer. Doesn't look that good, but I mean, it is sealed, so I feel like it should work now and not make that noise anymore, but we'll test it out. All right, so installing the speaker is pretty simple. You just want to plug it in. There are two plugins on the speaker I noticed, and you're gonna want to use the one on the left, I guess, if you look at the speaker from this direction. So I'm gonna do that and then get back to you. All right, so that's all plugged in now. Now I'm just gonna drop the speaker in, and I'm not gonna bolt it on right now because I want to see if this actually worked or not. So yeah, we'll do a test now with some music. All right, so I'm gonna play the same song that we listened to before. I'm actually surprised because it sounded like this worked. So yeah, take a listen for yourself. So I'm just screwing these in now.
Don't want to shoot that. Hope they don't strip these. Here, I'll get back to you guys.
All right, so I just cleaned this piece off a little bit in the vents before I'm gonna put it back in. And I got the speaker all bolted back in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this piece in and start from the back. I don't think it'll be too hard to snap in. Pretty simple. And then the front. And then it's in. All right, sweet. All right, so I got everything put back together, and I'm gonna give you guys one more sound clip just to show you that it works now all put back together. So if you guys like this video, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed and liked the video. And yeah, so here's the clip.